Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can draw straight lines on Inkscape in 2026. So let us get started. Alright guys, let me navigate to this example document here and start by using option number 1, which would be using the pen tool. You will find it here on the left hand side in that list, or use the shortcut B. Select it, let me zoom in a bit, set the start point of your line by left clicking and left click again to set the end point of your line like this. And you can keep continuing adding more lines by left clicking into your canvas to set the next point, and that way, for example, create something like this. Now that's shape, so if you don't like creating a shape, you may, for instance, draw a line like this by setting a start point with your left mouse and by setting an end point. And that's it. After that, select the select tool, and that is going to show or display your straight line. You may click into it and customize, for example, its color here in the fill and stroke tab, or right click into your line and select fill and stroke here. And use that color wheel or these sliders here to change the color, for instance, of your line. Now, what you want to do is navigate, of course, to stroke and paint, and here use the color, for instance, like a green, because lines don't have any fill. So go with stroke and paint. Now, what you want to do, guys, is just as an additional information, whenever you use the pen tool and set your line by setting a start and an end point, make sure that you don't hold your left mouse, because if you do that and set the second point or end point of your line, you will be, or Inkscape will give you the opportunity to convert your straight line into a curved line. We don't want to do this. We want to keep these lines straight. So it's just setting these points by left clicking without holding your left mouse. If you hold your left mouse, Inkscape will automatically switch to the curved line feature. So that's option number 1. Let me remove these shapes and lines here. Show you option number 2. Option number 2 would be to use the pencil tool on the left hand side if you like to draw manually. However, guys, if you do this, your line won't be exactly straight, right? I mean, let me just remove the fill color here. It's not that simple. So you may try, of course, if you like, but I personally prefer the pen tool because I believe it is easier to draw a straight line like this by simply setting a start point with your left mouse and an end point. That's it. You may also move your line like this by left clicking into it, moving it like an object along or across your canvas. So that's the 2 options, guys, you have here on Inkscape to draw straight lines. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.